Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to start question number 3rd of exercise. This is 12.2 exercise. First and second already I explained you. Now question number 3rd. Are the following statements true? Children, when we have to find out the ratio, okay, the units should remain same. First of all, you have to check these statements are true or not. If the units are same, person, rupees, that means units are same. Now how we have to, in the rough, I am telling you how you will do. You just wait, children. This is 40 upon 200. Okay, 0 cut, 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 45. So what we are getting, 1 upon 5. And another part of this, rupees 15, and so what we will do, 15 upon 75. So what is 15 ones are 15 fives are, that is also 1 by 1 by 5. So first statement is true. I hope you understood. Both in the reduced form we are getting the ratio 1 is to 5 or 1 upon 5. So the given first A part is true. You will write true for that. And how you will find out, that I am telling you. Okay, this one is true. I hope you understood. Second one we will see now. 7.5 liter and 15 liters. Units are same. 7.5 upon, ratio means upon 15. If you will remove this point, you will put 10 here. That you are very well knowing. So 15 fives are 17 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So here what we are getting, 1 by 2. And this is 5 kg and 10 kg. Then 5 upon 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Here also on right side we are getting 1 by 2. That means the statement is true. So you will write 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The both sides of equal same ratio is coming. The statement is true. Same way, children, A and B true. Same way you can solve C, D and E part and can write the answer. I hope you understood the main question number 3rd, how to find out. Now let us start with question number 4. Determine if the following ratios from a proportion form a proportion. We have to find out the given ratios are in proportion or not. Also write the middle terms and extreme terms form where the ratios form a proportion. Now listen, children, this is 25 centimeter and 1 meter. First of all, the units should be same. Okay, so I am writing here, you see, as a second method. In the previous video I explained that method also you can use. First into fourth is equal to second into third to find out this. But the question is 25 centimeter and 1 meter. As I told you, the units should remain same. Here centimeter and here meter. So first we will convert into same unit. I am writing here A part 25 centimeter ratio 1 meter. Okay, and 40 and 160 rupees, and rupees 40 and 1 rupees 160. Okay, so first of all the units should be same, 25 centimeter and 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. Now units are same, so centimeter cut, you know that 25 ones are 25 fours are. Here 1 upon 4 is coming, and this is rupees 40 and rupees 160. 0 cut, 4 ones are 4 fours are. So what we are getting here, 1 by 4. So first question, But determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also write the middle term and extreme terms. Okay, so what are the here children? These are in proportion. How we are getting 20, 25 ratio 1 meter is equal to what is that? Rupees 40 ratio rupees 160. I hope you understood. Now children, as I taught you how to write in the first, second and okay, that way also you have to write. Now 39 liter 65, 39 here in the rough I am showing you 39 upon 65 and 6 bottles and 10 bottles. 13 threes are 13 fives are. 2 threes are 2 fives are. So these are in proportion and you write first, second and third. How you will find out that also again I am telling you. So second one also in proportion. So this one you see this was the first one. If you will multiply 25 ratio 100 because in centimeter is to 40, okay, ratio 160. I am not writing the unit. First 25 into 160 if you are doing and 40 into 100. Okay, so here you are getting 4000. What you are getting? 0, 16 5s are 80, 16 2s are 32 and 8 40. Okay, so you are getting both side. What I have done? First into fourth. You see here, I have done first into fourth, second into third. So this is your way to find out. Another way also I taught you the formula earlier also in the previous video I have given first into fourth is equal to second into third. Then also we can find out the ratios given are in proportion and they ask to write in the proportion method. That also I have shown how to write. The is 2. Okay, so this is the way you have to write. And same way C and D. B also I have given the hint for C and D part of main question number 4. You can solve yourself. So children, 12.2 is over. Okay, in next video we will see 12.3.